Actually, we have several businesses. The main business we're in here today is W. Harris G.S.C. Incorporated, which is a federal contractors who do federal service contracts for the military. Our primary one is we run commissaries, which are kind of like grocery stores for the military. And so we have grocery stores, across the East Coast and out through the Midwest and over here. So I think right now, under this program, we have probably 18 stores. So we have about 700 employees across the nation. Local with this company, I think we're about 250 or 300. Probably about 2 years ago, the agent that I was with had his own, insurance company. He was bought out. And when they phased him out and I tried to get hold of the new agency, I was informed that I would never have an agent, okay? And that if I needed anything, to email them. And when I would email them, say, I don't need to email, I need to sit here and talk to somebody. I go, you send me forms every year to fill out. I don't know how to fill them out. I'm not an insurance agent, right? Pretty much what I want is somebody who's going to come here and cater and take care of me. And I provide service in my business, and I expect everybody else to provide the same quality of service to me, right, in their business. And these people were actually just completely absentee. I couldn't get a response. Emails would go responded, but the thing is, it was an email paper chase to get anything done. I contacted a friend of mine who I've known for quite a while. It's here in town, who's also in the captive, but I knew he wasn't with this group. And I said, who are you with? And he goes, Leavitt. And I'm going, God, a million years ago I was with Leavitt, with the agent that I had. And they trained him really well because I've enjoyed, him taking care of my insurance for the past 20 years. So I immediately asked, hey, look, can you give me a name or somebody to contact? And it was like 3.5 minutes later, I get a call from Ted telling me, hey, I just talked to John and he says that you're looking. And I'm going, no, I'm not looking, I'm desperate. And so could we have a meeting? Within a few days, we had a meeting. They said all the right things. They told me they're going to take care of the accounts. They're going to have service. When I have forms and stuff to fill out, they're going to be there. Every so often, a month or so, we sit down and go over everything to make sure it's updated. And that's quality of service and the kind of service I wanted originally. And that's the kind of quality of service that I have today.